What is the difference between parenting plans and consent orders? Parents looking to formalise care arrangements for their children can enter into either a parenting plan or consent orders. A parenting plan is a written and signed voluntary agreement between parents. A parenting plan will deal with matters relating to aspects of the care, welfare and development of a child, including it might be who the child will live with, time spent with each parent or with other persons, how parents are to consult on major long-term issues relating to the child, maintenance of a child, or practical considerations of a child's day-to-day life. Parenting plans are flexible as they can be changed at any time upon written agreement by both parents. A limitation of parenting plans is that they're not legally binding. If one parent does not uphold their side of the agreement, there's no immediate legal recourse for that parent's non-compliance. If court proceedings are later initiated, the court must consider the terms of a parenting plan. They are, however, not bound by the terms, and it is open to the court to make orders in accordance with the best interests of the child. Parenting plans may be preferable to those seeking to spend the least amount of money and to avoid entering the court system while still maintaining control over their parenting arrangement. Conversely, consent orders can be made by the Federal Circuit and Family Court of Australia in terms agreed to by all parties. Once agreement is reached, the parties file what's called an application for consent orders with the court. The proposed orders will be considered by a registrar, and if deemed to be in the best interest of the child, they'll become legally binding court orders. Court orders are legally enforceable. If a court finds that a parent has contravened an order without reasonable excuse, there are certain penalties that may be applied. These penalties range from making orders to compensate time lost with the child to imposing a prison sentence in the most severe of breaches. Consent orders may be preferable where there's a possibility that a parent may stray from the agreement. Orders made by consent both serve as a deterrent for disobeying the agreement, as well as providing a procedure for enforcement or penalisation if it is contravened. If you require any further assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us here at Turnbull Hill Lawyers.